today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to do some more light reading inside of our Moccasin module. I believe this should be the last video on this Moccasin module, so we're going to be moving forward, and then we're going to dive back in after we finish reading up. So let's dive back. Well, it's not the last video. We still have a few more things to go over, but we're getting to the end of the Moccasin testing. So let's dive right in with some light reading. So we can say we can check the person strut in the favorites.vive file to see that it contains both the name and a favorite number. Remember yesterday we were talking about our strut and that it contained a person. So nope. Keep in mind that in real life scenarios, we will want to test one script at a time to ensure that each script is working correctly before moving on to the next one. Now to run a specific test, we can use the -K flag. That looks like this. You can see a -K and our command, and then add the script we want to add after it. This will look like this in the terminal. So you can see here we have mocks test, we have our -K, and then we have test can add people. This is the function we want to run after our -K. So that's why we put it after the -K. Now this command will only run a test can add people function, test function. This is useful when we have a lot of tests and we only want to run a specific test. Now this is the end of this section on the arrange, act, assert, testing pattern. In the next section, we will go over the concept of test fixtures. So you can see here we have PyTest fixtures. In this section, we will go over the concept of PyTest fixtures. Fixtures are a way to provide a fixed baseline upon which tests can reliably and repeatedly execute. Now, fixtures are used to set up the initial conditions for a test. Now, we're going to leave it right there. Like I said, we're just getting into a new section of our Moccasin module. This section is called the PyTest fixtures, so we're going to pick back up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.